Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Richards Bay United 0. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
James from Pumalanga. Yeah, but I'm staying around in Pretoria, but I'm from Pumalanga.
Okay, my brother, what did you think about today's game?
Today's game was fun, fabulous. The way I saw Sundowns playing today, it was a warm-up for Saturday game. Yeah. You know, Mose, from now on, we're done with DSTV Premiership. Yeah. Now we are preparing ourselves for the Champions League. Yeah. You know, Mose, we need another star. Another star. You know, Sundowns always break records. Supposed to be a second star. As for Sundowns, Pirates are following us. Sundowns is another team that will have another star. Yeah. I don't talk about Aboma course or whatsoever. Yeah. Sundowns is another team that is going to take Champions League, and you saw it on Saturday. Saturday. Sundowns was playing very well. Do you think that team can come back with that 4?
I know.
I don't think so. Sundowns is going to take this Champions League, and I don't see any other team that is going to disturb Sundowns on this Champions League. We're done with this DSTV Champions League. Then now we are focusing on DSTV Champions League. Sundowns,
I just want to know, who was your man of the match, brother?
Obvious, Mkhulisi deserved it.
That was your guy?
Yeah, that was my guy, because I can give it even to Zungu, but Mkhulisi, you see, it was better than everything.
Yeah.
It deserved everything. Yeah. But I saw that they give it, they're making a favor to give that man of the match to that Richards Bay guy. Yeah. But the person deserves it is Mkhulisi. I don't see another better player playing better than Mkhulisi on that match today. Yeah.
Okay, my brother, I know all town supporters are happy, but is there anything that you'd like to tell them?
What I need to tell everyone at home that watching this thing today, go on, watch Sundowns. Saturday is coming. Saturday is whereby you're gonna see a game. Okay. Did you see that today? We take out all the players that we think that second half we're done about changing. Whereby even if you can get injured, we can go and play even 8 people, because we were warm-upping for Saturday game. So everyone come to the Loftus on Saturday, watch Sundowns on Saturday, Champions League. We are winning this game, and then we are going to semi-final. Champion is us.
Thank you, brother.
Abuye, Loma Sundowns.